Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good eLearning, and here are the 5 key benefits of using the Open Group Architecture Framework, better known as TOGAF, in 60 seconds or less. 1. Efficiency. Enterprise architecture may be complicated, but TOGAF has more than proven itself. It saves users a huge amount of time in conceptualizing, building, and implementing architectures. 2. Adaptability. TOGAF and the architectural development method can be adapted to suit any project or organization regardless of scale, purpose, or industry. 3. Future-proofing. TOGAF artifacts created for one project can be reused to save time down the line. They can also be improved to include new technology, methodologies, and so on. 4. Integration. TOGAF fosters a combined understanding of business, digital, and IT elements. Practitioners are experts at integrating and guiding these aspects within a single strategy. And 5. Demand. TOGAF is the world's most popular EA framework. This helps practitioners find valuable roles and also makes it easier for architects to collaborate across different businesses using the same language. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you're interested in free trials and resources on enterprise architecture, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good eLearning website today to find out more.